Most of us would agree that dogs make us feel good, but is this just because we love them or it's actually fact? Well, I'm here with Dr. Mel Starling, who's part of the research team at Sydney University that's looking into this, as well as the creature teacher. So, Mel, how do dogs make us, I guess, emotionally feel?
Well, I mean, they're just so cute.
They are.
So I mean, we've got some evidence to suggest that they can ease loneliness for us,
Yes.
and that they can ease senses of stress. And we certainly enjoy spending time with them, and we wouldn't have them if they weren't.
No, that's right. They did make us feel good as well. And the research out there, I guess, must show that in terms of loneliness in particular, that they can help us.
Yeah, so there's a little bit of research, in fact, some that we've done at the University of Sydney just recently with the Paws Project, where they've looked at how people feel about their emotional states before and after they get a dog. So after they've adopted a dog, they do feel less lonely.
Okay. And what about the physical benefits? Because I've seen a few studies lately around the physical benefits of dogs as well, and what they can provide to us.
We do know that cardio patients, so people who have had issues with their hearts,
Yes.
they tend to recover quicker if they've got a dog, and less likely to have more problems. There is some evidence that we live longer,
Yes.
and it's probably about that side of it, about the heart and the cardio fitness and health more than anything.
And what about with older people as well, like elderly that are recovering in hospital? Was there some studies around that?
Yeah, there's been some work that has looked at that and suggests that they do recover more quickly if they've got a dog. There's also been a little bit of research on doctor visits, and people with dogs tend to visit their doctors less often than people that don't have dogs.
So is it just anecdotal, or, are there some studies that show physically our body does change?
There's just been some really preliminary work where we've looked at heart rate in particular, but other measures of stress, which is like heart rate variability and respiration rate, that kind of thing. And it does tend to improve when we're near our dog, and that's particularly if it's a dog that we really like and we're very familiar with. The really special thing that we love about dogs, that's just a little bit magical about them, is just how sociable they are. So it's really quite bizarre for an animal to be able to go into an environment with completely new people and new species that they're not even related to, and members of their own species that they're not related to, and somehow be able to get along with them.
Yes.
So that's really what's quite cool about dogs, is that they can do that where no other animal really can.
Yeah, right. And they just pick up on our every move, really, our every feeling too, don't they, through our body language?
Yeah, they are quite the expert on human body language.
Know us better than we know ourselves.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Mel. Well, thanks for talking us through what most of us knew already, that dogs are good for us. Whether it's proven or not, we know that, don't we, Darcy? Pet Stock Assist is providing assistance and therapy dogs to many people in need. So if you'd like to find out more about their work and the great work that they do of helping pets and people stay together, visit their website. Hey, you want to go for a run now, don't you? I'm reading your body language. Hey? Yeah?